again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I'm going to get some little nails put on my right hand today. I was going to use the Born Pretty non-stick extension gel, that solid stuff, but I ended up pulling out their tubes of nail tips gel. I love this stuff. It's just so easy to use. So I have got the clear, and I've got pink, light pink and baby pink. This is the one I ended up using today, baby pink. It's just a nice pale pink. I like it. And I've also got some new colours from their Silky White series. I wanted some more of their neons. I have got a set of 6 in their black bottles that are neon, but I wanted some more. And I also got this little nude colour. This is a nice nude, I really like it. It's got a slight peach tone, but only a slight one. Really nice creamy colour, isn't it? So this one, CGO93, it's a creamy yellow. Neon yellows are always sheer and slightly transparent. This is a proper creamy neon yellow. I was well impressed with that. These are in the big 10ml bottles as well. So CG100 is a bright neon pink, and again it's a creamy little gel. I was well impressed with these. I think I only gave them all one coat. Look how bright that is. Gorgeous colour, I love it. And then CGO98, I haven't got a bright like neon red, or it's like a bit of a cherry, really hot cherry pinky red, neon red. Yeah, the regular set of 6 that they do doesn't have like a red in it like this, so I wanted that. And then this one, CG94, is a beautiful green. Again, the regular set of 6. I will show you them. I'll compare them in a minute. Is a regular green. I wanted this type of green. It's like a yellowy green, isn't it? I love it. So they've all been cured and top coated. That's them all side by side. I really like them. I like that nude. I don't have a lot of nudes from Born Pretty, so I liked that. I love that neon red and neon green. I don't have anything like that from Born Pretty. So just for comparison, this is the set of 6 that they do in the black bottles. These are available on the website and Amazon. So this is your regular yellow, green, orange, pink, purple, blue, isn't it? You get everything. Perfect neon kit, isn't it? Right, so quick bit of prep, guys, before I do my nails. I'm just going to push my cuticles back like that, and then scrape away any dead skin that is on my nail bed. Make sure you get rid of any dead skin on your nail bed, guys. Because it will cause lifting and your nails will pop off. And then I'm going to use a buffer and just buff off all the shine on my natural nails. I have got a peel off base coat on. Yeah, but yeah, make sure your nails have got no shininess on them. Get them all buffed up and nice and chalky looking, and then give them a really good clean. Get rid of all the dust and dirt. So I'm just going to go straight in with a base coat. I would use a primer and a prep, but I was popping these straight off, so I've just gone straight in with a nice thin even coat of base coat, and then that's going to get cured for 30 seconds. Guys, I'm using my left hand, so please bear with me today. I do look a bit caggy handed because I'm using my left hand. So I've gone with medium length. These are Coffin, just because I've got medium length on my left hand, and I'm really feeling shorter medium tips at the minute. So these are already pre-etched inside, and I'm using baby pink glue gel. So just a tiny little blob in the cuticle area of that tip. I love this stuff, guys. Press it down like at a 45-degree angle at your cuticle area like that, and press it down and push that glue right up till it covers your natural nail. And I did have to hold it down today, but because my house was really hot. But normally you don't have to hold this stuff down, it just stays where it is. And yeah, I'm just going to stick that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Super easy peasy. It was a little bit runny today though, runnier than it normally is. So I'll just quickly show you doing one more. They're all going to be exactly the same as this, and I'll do the rest off camera. Don't forget, guys, I've got a 20% off code for Born Pretty. It's always in my description box with a link to the website. So there we go, that's them all on. I'm just going to use this little medium ceramic small flame bit, and I'm just going to go around my cuticle area just to get all these little bits. They're just little bits of the glue gel that's leaked out. So, and again, I'm using my left hand, so I'm really awkward. But I'm getting better with my left hand and my e-file. I'm getting better. The only way to get better is to just keep trying it, isn't it? So yeah, I'm just going to get rid of all these little bits of glue and stuffs. And then I'm going to use a buffer as well and buff off all the shiny surface of these nail tips. Right, so that's them all filed and buffed and ready for a little bit of nail art. Keeping it really simple today, guys, from start to finish. So I'm going to use one of Born Pretty rubber base coats. This is number 04. And I'm just going to give all my nails just two. I tried to do thin coats, but using my left hand, a couple of the coats went on a bit thick. So I'm just going to show you this pinky, guys. Every nail's going to be the same. Just two thin, even coats. And I'm curing each coat in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going to use one of the new colours that I got. This is the pink, and I'm going to use this blue out of the Black Spore series neon set. And that's all we're going to use, guys, and a dotting tool. So I'm just going to start with the pink and just do splodges. You don't want them to be round or perfect. Just splodges, super easy, super simple and quick. And then same with the blue. Both of these middle nails are going to be the same. So same with the blue. And then I've cured them in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then using an even smaller dotting tool. Just tiny little black, like half outlines around these splodges. Again, they don't have to be neat or tidy or any kind of pattern or symmetry. Nothing, just little half a outliney bits. Do some at the side. Do some at the top and the bottom. Such quick, easy. It's like leopard print, isn't it? Guys, I'm not even going to lie. I hated these nails. Absolutely hated them, and I couldn't even tell you why. But yeah, I hated them. So I'm just doing some little random black little swirly things in some of those gaps now. Super easy. So they're going to get cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then on this pinky, I'm just going to do, I don't know what you call this, just like a triangle French tip. Yeah, like a, is it chevron? Do you call it chevron French tip? Oh, I don't know. But yeah, just like that. And I'm going to colour them in now. And the pointer finger is going to have a full nail of the blue. I've done the thumb, same as the pinky as well. So, yeah, I'll let you watch for a sec. Right, so lastly, guys, I'm just going to give them a really generous coating of top coat just to smooth out some of that artwork, or you can give them a top coat and a buff, get them really smooth and then top coat them again. But as I hated them, yeah, I just give them a quick top coat and that'll be then finished. There we go, that's then finished. I mean, these have got to be the easiest extensions, the easiest artwork, completely beginner friendly. This is definitely one of them sets anybody could have a go at, isn't it? Anyway guys, that is it for today. All links for everything I've used in today's video will be in my description box. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care, bye.